Furman University and PRISMA Health Upstate have partnered together to offer a Master of Science in Community Engaged Medicine, which uses intensive classroom, community, and clinical study to prepare you for a career in today's complex world of healthcare. A Furman degree provides health professionals with the expertise to lead in our hospitals, strengthen our communities, and prepare students for tomorrow's challenges. Through engaged learning experiences, you will develop an advanced understanding of science and population health related to disparities between growing medical needs and resources within communities. Students will pursue a 9-month clinical experience with under-resourced populations and prepare for professional examinations like the MCAT, DAT, and GRE through Kaplan courses. You will gain the academic record you need to enter medical, dental, or other health-related professional programs and careers while making a positive impact on the health of Greenville. Our small class size of 15 to 20 students ensure individualized attention and high-impact learning experiences. The professional advising and support you'll receive from Furman faculty and staff, as well as our community partners through the MSCEM, will provide the opportunity to identify your passion and the path that best suits you professionally in healthcare. For more information on how you can get started, visit Furman.edu/MSCEM.